I'm 54 years old and I'm going to show you how to do a correct Gua Sha routine for a beginner. So first what we're going to do is open up our drainage portholes, because if you don't do that, your lymph nodes, then what all that drainage does is it goes right back into the same spot. So what I like to do is first I take my neck and behind my ears and I just rub that. Then we're going to pat it. My collarbone, I rub above and behind it. We're going to tap. And this is really quick, but it's so important to do. I rub my armpits. Get really in there. Also, rubbing your armpits helps with dark circles. Notice 54, don't have any, really. And we're going to pat that. Then we do the stomach. Just rub it and pat it. Okay, now we're ready for Gua Sha. First, you want to do an oil that you like. I use either this one here or my own blend. Then you want to use a Gua Sha tool that you're comfortable, that fits your face. There are different shapes and sizes, and it really doesn't matter what kind of tool you use, as long as you're comfortable using it. So I'm going to apply the oil all over my face. Now, when I do face massage, I don't actually use any type of oil or serum on my face, but Gua Sha is different. It's more for drainage and circulation, and you don't want to be tugging or too rough. I'm using my Face Yogi app that you can get a free membership, a free trial, using my code LILAOVER. It's a great app because you can focus on different things on your face. Like I'm focusing on these forehead muscles and trying to get this lifted here. And I've noticed such a difference using and being consistent with an app. I love this app because it will show you, see right here, the progress of your face, which is amazing. We're going to be working here. So you're gonna feel that muscle coming down here. We're just going to massage that. This really helps with the jowls. And you're doing it gently. The app has full visual cues as well as explains how to do the exercise at the beginning. Switch sides. Again, we're just massaging this muscle that you can feel going down. Not this soft spot, but the muscle here. And this really is tied into your gel. Follow along and do a quick Gua Sha. Get the app while you can, Face Yogi. Use my code LILAOVER for a free trial, and you can get all of these different exercises without having to put in any type of credit card payment. Second thing is I have a tutorial in my bio, so you know how to use my promotional code so that you don't have to put in any information that you don't want to. All right, guys, use the code.